Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to change TikTok profile picture, and now let's dive right in. Now to change TikTok profile picture, first open up your TikTok app, and after that guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see your profile icon. At the bottom right, tap on it, and on this interface again you can see the edit profile option available for us just beside the share profile. Tap on that edit profile, and over here guys at the top of the screen you can see the change photo and the change video option available for us. Now in order to change your profile photo, simply tap on the change photo and tap on either take photo or select from gallery, whichever you like. I'll be just tapping on the select from gallery, and over here guys you'll be able to choose your photo, so I'll be selecting this one and let's tap on confirm. And over here guys you can see the save and post option available for us at the bottom right corner of the screen. But if you don't want to post this photo, just want to change your profile picture, then tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on save. Or if you want to post the photo as well, tap on post this photo and tap on save and post, and then your profile picture on TikTok will be changed. And guys, this is how to change your TikTok profile picture. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.